In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make beautiful greeting cards using Canva. Whether it's for birthdays, holidays, or just to share a heartfelt message, Canva makes designing your own card simple, fast, and fun. Before we start, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials every week. Open Canva in your browser and head to the search bar at the top. Type greeting card and you'll instantly see hundreds of ready-to-use templates for every occasion. From thank you notes to festive celebrations, take a moment to browse through and choose one that fits the message or style you have in mind. Once you've found your favorite design, click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Here's where the fun begins. You can edit every element, text, colors, and layout to make it completely your own. To change text, simply click on it and type your message. Experiment with different fonts and colors to match your theme and mood. Next, explore Canvas Elements tab to add graphics, icons, or illustrations. You can also upload your own photos for a personal touch. Don't be afraid to get creative. Mix colors, resize images, and adjust layouts until it feels perfect. When your design looks just right, double check everything, spelling, alignment, and color balance. Then, click download to save your card. You can print it at home for a handmade feel or share it digitally for instant delivery. And that's it. You've just created your own custom greeting card in Canva. It's easy, creative, and a wonderful way to add a personal touch to any occasion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva design tips and inspiration.